Right now, we're going to be watching a technician install a reverse block shear wall with staples.
A good idea.
This demonstration shows how amazing staples are. These staples here are 1/2 inch to 1 inch apart with absolutely no problem with. Could have put them even closer than that. Staples, they just don't split wood, and it's very, very handy. Right now we're going to go ahead and put staples into the narrow face of the 2x4 and see how many staples we can get in there and how close they can be, because that's where we can actually staple plywood to the framing, and we might be able to get some very, very high capacity shear walls in that way. So here you can see staples that have been put 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch apart, and as you can see, there have been no problems with splitting. So